And so this shows the example of a Hping flood with fin. So you can see here the ports are being stepped through for the source port, and the destination port is 0. So 0 has been the TCP segment with the fin flag set has been sent from this node to this node. If you look, the sequence numbers and the acknowledgements really are fairly random in their approach. Every so often we've got to rediscover the MAC address, so this is obviously timing out in the ARP cache. So let's have a look at this. Okay, so what we see is a fin. The flags are set, and the destination port is 0 in this case. So we can see that the host just keeps trying to connect with fin onto port 0. And this is the ARP request as it times out in the cache.